Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Dear countrymen, first of all, I wish all of you a very happy 75th Independence Day, which is the most joyous occasion in every Indian's life, as it is our national festival, which is now being celebrated throughout our country as the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. In schools, colleges, and other educational institutions, we commemorate Independence Day by unfurling our national flag tricolor, which is followed by our national anthem. Dear countrymen, 75 years have passed since we got independence, and that is why we call it the Amrit Mahotsav of the independence. We must have full realization of how we achieved our freedom, our independence from the British rule. Many of us are very lucky who are born in the free India. But we must not forget the sacrifices made by our ancestors. We all know that about 400 years ago, the British East India Company had come to India for business. They did their business, they operated their business in India. But when they saw the rich wealth and heritage of our country, they became greedy and wanted to conquer our country and rob our rich wealth and heritage. And they did it. They kept us under a very long period of bondage, slavery. But people of India wanted to get rid of the cruel Britishers. Our ancestors wanted independence, freedom. Many revolutionaries, great leaders, and freedom fighters fought bravely with the cruel Britishers and made supreme sacrifices for the sake of our country, to liberate our country, for the freedom, for the independence of our country. The first freedom struggle was started in the year 1857 by the great revolutionaries Mangal Pandey, the Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, and many other revolutionaries who joined them. On the one hand, many of our leaders started non-violent movements, like when Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement, the civil disobedience movement, the non-cooperation movement, the Dandi March, the Salt Satyagrah, etc. And on the other hand, many other great revolutionaries, brave martyrs like Sardar Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and many more, many others, fought bravely with the Britishers, made supreme sacrifices by giving away their lives happily for the sake of our country. The motive was only to liberate our country, to get rid of the Britishers. The greatest and the biggest contribution in India's freedom struggle was made by the great revolutionary, the great soldier Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who started the Azad Hind Fauj, recruited more than 1 lakh soldiers, and more than 60,000 soldiers made supreme sacrifices by giving away their lives for the independence of our country. So our independence was achieved, our freedom was achieved after a long period of struggle. So, the people who are born in free India, who have not seen the period of slavery and bondage, should not and must not take our freedom for granted. The strengthening and maintenance of our freedom is more important than getting it. In order to protect our country from predatory aggressors, the youth of India must equip themselves with 4 distinct and special dimensions. These distinct dimensions are physical, intellectual, patriotic, and spiritual. These are the 4 dimensions in which our youth must equip themselves in order to maintain our freedom, to strengthen our freedom, and to protect our freedom from predatory aggressors. Once again, dear friends, my dear countrymen, I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day, and which is being now called as Amrit Mahotsav of our freedom. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and Jai Vigyan.